Understanding Skyline, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the term skyline. Whether you are in a city or out in nature, this is a word you might come across, and it's important to understand what it means and how to use it. So, let's dive in and explore this term together. The term skyline refers to the outline or silhouette of buildings, mountains, or other structures against the sky. When you look at the horizon, the shapes that you see form the skyline. In urban areas, the skyline is often dominated by tall buildings and skyscrapers, while in rural areas, you might see mountains or trees creating the skyline. Example 1. Urban skyline. Imagine you are standing in the heart of New York City, looking at the horizon. You will see a series of tall buildings and skyscrapers, each varying in height and shape. This is an example of an urban skyline. Example 2. Natural skyline. Now, picture yourself in a mountainous region, gazing at the horizon. The shapes of the mountains as they stand against the sky form a natural skyline. 1. Describing a city. You can use skyline to describe the physical appearance of a city. For example, the skyline of Chicago is famous for its innovative architecture. 2. Describing changes. You can also talk about changes in a skyline. For example, the skyline has changed dramatically over the last decade due to rapid urban development. 3. Expressing emotions. Sometimes, skylines can evoke emotions. For example, there's something magical about the skyline at sunset. Understanding synonyms can help enrich your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for skyline. 1. Horizon. Though not an exact synonym, horizon can sometimes be used interchangeably with skyline. 2. Profile. This refers to the outline or contour of something and can be used in a similar context. 3. Silhouette. This word specifically refers to a dark shape or outline seen against a lighter background. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify what skyline means and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, whether it's the towering buildings of a bustling city or the majestic mountains in the countryside, the skyline is all around us. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll continue to improve your English skills. See you in the next video.